How to motion track in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can motion track in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, you can start a new project from here or simply use a project that you're previously working on. So I'll just start a project from here and there we go. Now, after you're on your project, what you'll first need to do is just adjust your video to where you want to begin with the motion tracking. So let's say I want to begin it at my first bounce. So I'll just stop this at my first bounce, zoom in on the video and zoom in so that the image or the ball is right around the center of the frame. So after you're here, if you want to add a reference, what I recommend you guys do is add a text here. So you can add a text. I'll just enter a full stop, zoom it in so you can see the ball more clearly and change it to red. So I change it to red from the styles section here. I just change it to red. Now after you're here, first add a keyframe from here. You will see the keyframe option, just tap on it. And after you do that, just move along to the next place. So just follow through with the video. Just you can zoom in and out according to your wish. Just make sure that the ball stays on the red place. So after you're here, add another keyframe again. So I'll just add it to the maximum space there. I'll just zoom in a bit more and add a keyframe right here again. I'll add a keyframe here and move along again. Change it to here. Add another one. Now CapCut will automatically add a keyframe whenever you start moving. So just add a keyframe like this. When the ball moves along, just follow through with the red dot. As it goes down, follow through with the red dot again at the bounce and keep on doing that. So I'll just do it again and at the bounce again. Now you can zoom out slowly and you can do this until your ball or your keyframes are matching with the ball's motion. So I'll just zoom in and again. So this is just a rough work which I wanted to show you guys. So after you've done with adding the keyframe, you can then remove your text. So let's say I'm removing this text, tap on the delete button, and finally just play the video. And with that, the motion track should be working. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Then you can export the video. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.